This cordless ratchet wrench provides a 6.8 volts motor and delivers a maximum torque of 45 feet-pounds, and a huge motor and torque will spin faster and powerfully during operation and provides durability. You don't need to worry about insufficient strength. The maximum speed trigger up to 400 RPM provides ultimate control of the tool. Turn the reversing switch to the F, forward, side for clockwise rotation, or to the R, reverse, side for counterclockwise rotation. Make sure the reversing switch is fully turned with a click sound to achieve the desired function.